Hi there, welcome back to the Flask Mastery series. In this session, we are going to build an endpoint that deletes a company. So for this endpoint, we are going to make use of the snippet that deletes a user. So I'm going to copy this up and then paste it here. So the blueprint is going to point to our company's blueprint. And then the URL is going to remain the same. Still, we are going to protect this endpoint. And then the function name is going to be delete company. And it takes in the company ID, since we are going to delete the companies using the company ID. And for this endpoint, I'm going to ensure that a company can be deleted by the administrator or the owner of the company. So if the user type of the currently logged in user is not that of an admin, and we also have to ensure that the currently logged in user is the owner of the company that is being deleted. So company.user ID not equal to the currently logged in user, then we return you are not authorized to delete this company. So if all these conditions are false, then we have to delete only the associated books of this company. So since the company has a silent attribute books that is defined on the book model, we have to ensure that we are deleting all the books associated with this company while deleting the company. So for book in the company, then .books, then we delete the books too. And having we deleted the associated books with the company, we have to go ahead and delete the company, then commit. So once that is done, we have to return a response that company has been deleted successfully. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and test this endpoint. So I'll create a new request. So the name for the request is going to be delete a company, and then the URL is going to be company/delete, then slash the ID that we want to delete. So we are going to delete company ID 4, and that is Gloria Book Publishers. So the method is going to be updated to delete, and I'm going to pass in the access token. So since the token has expired and we are trying to delete company ID 4 that belongs to user ID 1, and that is Gloria. So what I can do, I'm going to copy this email address for Gloria and ensure that I am logging her in. Then I'm going to copy her access token and pasting it within the bearer token value and making a new request. So having made a new request, we can see that the company has been deleted successfully. So I'm going to refresh the database, and once it has refreshed, we can see that this company no longer exists within the database. I hope you found this session insightful. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe. See you again in the next session.